Probation Law of the Philippines. Good day everyone, we are Group 2 and today we will discuss the Probation Law of the Philippines. This law is important because it gives qualified offenders a chance to reform without going to jail. What is probation? Probation is a legal process where a person who is convicted of a crime released instead of being sent to prison. But this freedom comes with conditions that must be followed. The purpose of probation. The main goals of probations are: number 1, to help offenders change their behavior. 2, to reduce overcrowding in jails. 3, to allow offenders to work, study, and care for their families while being supervised. Who can apply for probation? A person can apply for probation if their sentence is not more than 6 years. They have not been previously convicted of a crime, punished with imprisonment of more than 1 month and 1 day. They have not been previously placed on probation. Who cannot apply for probation? Probation is not allowed if the offender was sentenced to more than 6 years, was convicted of crimes like treason, murder, kidnapping, and other serious offenses, is already serving a sentence. How probation works. Here is the step-by-step process. Number 1, the offender applies for probation after conviction. 2, the court orders an investigation by the probation officer. 3, the officer checks the offender's background and attitude and behavior. 4, if approved, the courts give the offender specific rules to follow, like reporting to the probation officer, staying away from illegal activities, having a job, or going to school. Benefits of probation. Probation benefits both the offender and the community because it's helped the offender reform and become productive. It lowers the cost of imprisonment, it reduces overcrowding in jails, it gives second chance to those willing to change. Conclusion. In summary, the probation law provides an opportunity for rehabilitation instead of imprisonment. It supports personal growth while protecting the community.